Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars in Stratham, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Genesis G90 5.0. This is a 5-liter V8 pushing out 420 horsepower, which I think is just absolutely insane, knowing that this is a Hyundai. All your books, manuals, plate frames. That's pretty cool, so you don't scratch the paint. Huh. What is in this? Aha. Oh, quick reference guides. Pretty cool. Take a look at the back seat. Big entryway, and then obviously you can from the back seat adjust that. What do we have in here? Aha. Now I just stepped out of the Alpina B7 and I cannot help but think this is pretty darn similar. All of this is extremely similar. Do you have massage? Do you? I don't know. I think I might have just mistaken it. But oh, you have rest mode. Hold on. Oh, if this is not the most comfortable I've ever been in a car. What does this do? Oh, that's a sunshade. That's pretty darn cool. Make sure nobody's coming. Lexicon sound system. Do have a suede headliner, full LED lighting. In sport, let's go for a drive. There is some mild pumped in audio, I can definitely tell. I'm not sure if that's just in sport mode, but this engine is phenomenal. This whole car is just a bargain. So the Alpina B7 is pretty much a $200,000 car. This is a lot cheaper than that. Even brand new, that's what I'm comparing. Brand new to brand new. This one's only got 6,200 miles on it too. It's pretty astonishing. And then when you're in sport mode, the bolsters tighten as well on the seat. So I think it's just overall a bargain. Especially this 5-liter, that is just so cool. I'm pretty sure you could get the 3.5 turbo which honestly is just as good of a motor. Ooh, excuse me. Just as good of a motor. But I think the 5-liter just adds that character to it that you wouldn't really have otherwise. Speed auto. Yeah, no, this is just kind of spectacular. It just functions, it works, has all the features I would ever want or need. I don't know, pretty impressive, Genesis. To think that Hyundai can actually make a good car is pretty impressive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.